Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Nacho. Okay, so today we will see this, the receive punch. This punch in face, like this, body hit, and stomach body. So this is what we'll do today. So let's go. Okay, so the last video we finished there. So we have this, and you run and you go back to this position. So this is the last video. So now we will leave this is finished. The either animation is finished. So we have to rearrange all the things. This is all the animation for, I said, normal animation. So we'll take this and put in normal, a new folder, yeah, and normal, and we put all of this here, move here. Okay, nice. Now we'll import again the other animations. So we go back to the all the assets I give you in the link in below, and you have to take the animation for receive punch. So this is its reaction: receive punch to the face, receive stomach uppercut. Yeah, I will do one by one, is better. Yeah, so its reaction: Black Panther VR, import. Okay, nice. We'll do again for all. Receive. We'll move this, we'll do this more quicker because now we know how to do this. So yes, again the last one. I think, yeah, we have 4 animations, so we have the last one. Receive uppercut to the face, and Black Panther import, and all of this one will create a new folder and say compact folder, and now put all of this, move here. Okay, so now we will create a animation blueprint. So animation blueprint, we have to choose the skeleton for your animation blueprint. So the animation blueprint skeleton is Black Panther VR. Go, and we have to create the name of Black Panther VR. So BLK anim BP. Yes, and we go there. Here. So the first thing we have is final pose, animation pose. So the first thing we do, we have to create a state mission. State, add a new state mission, and we will call this, yeah, default, yeah, and we'll link this to the final animation. And now we go to the state machine, and we will have to take an asset border here. The first one, the blend idle and running animation we do the last the previous video here. Okay, and now when compile, is in position right now. And if you go there and you put the speed, like if I put here, it will do the thing. So if you have a speed increase or decrease, you will see that we do the same thing over the last video. So now we can move this in 0 for now. Okay, go back to default, and we have the BLK. So now the receive. So we have it reaction, and when he go there and how we go back. So this is the transition between them. So what kind of action we do for go there. So now here, if I have to create a variable here you have the function, macros, and variables, new variables, and I will set, yeah, it was its reaction. So I will go back here and set hit body reaction. Yeah, its body reaction, and this is for this, and we put the it body reaction, get it body, and go there. So this is the boolean variable. Boolean is a true or false. If it's true, it will do the things, and now we have to do if it's not true. So when if it's not true, if it's false, not true, false, not boolean not equal boolean. If it's not true, you do your thing. So now go back to asset preview for see we have the it body reaction here. Okay, so if we put here, it do the reaction. If we go back to this position, whew. Yeah, whew. Yeah, okay, nice. So now we have to do the same for all of them. Receive bench, go there, receive bench, boom 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 boom, and boom, receive bench, not receive bench. Yes, boom 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 boom. Is okay, we can see the receive bench, boom boom, and we have other one is receive punch but uppercut punch. So yeah, face uppercut punch. Yeah, and I like this animation. So yeah, go there, go. Punch, upper punch, go there, boom, and go back. If it's not, we will go back to this position. So here, and not boolean, and okay, we have the four thing here. And the last one is stomach. Yeah, the last one stomach. Uppercut, receive stomach and uppercut. And yeah, stomach, uppercut. Yeah, okay, winning BC receive a little bit. Mac upper and yeah, get yeah, and go back. Okay, so now when we put the body, we have the body it. If we do this, we have the receive punch, and if we have this, we have the upper punch. I will like the upper punch. Look this face. Yeah, and you have the stomach So we just do this right now because it's really long, so we'll take a pause and we see next week for other video. I want to be a short tutorial because long tutorial is not really good because some people give up. So that's all for today, and see you next week. Cheers.